श्री उत्तम रेड्डी जी।
Speaker sir, regarding the coronavirus and the advisory by the Ministry of Ayush, I wish to ask the Honorable Minister, when the World Health Organization and the Prime Minister of India last night said there is no preventive medicine, there is no vaccine, there is no medicine, the Ministry of Ayush has issued an advisory to the states that XYZ medicines will prevent coronavirus. This is in contradiction to the advice given by the Ministry of Health. Now, on the advisory note given by your ministry, the Telangana government has set up stalls distributing these medicines, including the airport. Now, approximately 10 to 15 crore people in India believe in Ayush. Now, in a disease like coronavirus, where there is no scientific evidence, there is no clinical trials, how has the Ministry of Ayush recommended specifically certain medicines? I wish to point out that without proper scientific evidence, proper clinical trials, was it proper of the Ministry of Ayush to issue this advisory note? Sir, also, I also asked about disinformation and misinformation. In the media, a number of persons, particularly of the ruling party, have been giving statements like cow urine is useful, cow dung is useful, and also some yoga gurus also are prescribing some herbs. Now, this misinformation, disinformation has not been contradicted by anybody in the government. Sir, lastly, sir, as a citizen, I want to know today if I want to go and test myself for coronavirus. There is no system in the country now. Yes. You have not given a proper, clear statement that if I want to go and test myself somewhere, there is no system, there is no procedure. Lastly, sir, those who are coming from abroad and placed in quarantine, so just 5 seconds. Placed in quarantine, I got a call from Hyderabad yesterday. Those who are coming from abroad are being put in quarantine in unhygienic facilities. Yes. The government should take note of that.
मैं वो फिर एक बार क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ, जो एडवाइजरी हमने निकाली थी तो इसके बेसिस से मैं कोट करना चाहता हूँ. These measures are advised based on the principle of the approach in the respective medical system to such viral disease where respiratory involvement is evident. These advisories neither claim the effective treatment for the coronavirus nor suggested any specific drug to combat the coronavirus. The personal hygiene measures and few herbal preparation which may be helpful to maintain the health are indicated in this advisory. जैसा मैंने फिर कहता हूँ, ये जो हमने एडवाइजरी जारी की है वो जो पिछले जो कुछ वायरस थे उसके इनके अनुभव के आधार पर ये रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को बूस्ट कर सकते हैं, मदद कर सकते हैं, इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने का काम ये सब कर रहे हैं. ये हमने इसमें मेंशन किया हुआ है, हमने मेडिसिन करके कहा नहीं है. और इसलिए मैं फिर एक माननीय सदस्य को कहना चाहता हूं कि ये जो मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन वगैरह है वो मिनिस्ट्री ने बार बार ये किया है और हम इसमें हमारी कुछ सहभाग उसमें नहीं है. तो इसलिए जो कुछ सरकार इतने अच्छे तरीके से प्रयास कर रही है, जो कुछ अब्रॉड से आने का भी बंद कर दिया है, अभी कुछ डरने की कोई बात नहीं है और ये कंट्रोल में आ रहा है.